In every medical facility, you will find equipment being used to diagnose, prevent, and treat illnesses. In TSTC's Biomedical Equipment Technology program, we train students to maintain and service these vital machines. Located at our Harlingen and Waco locations, you will get hands-on experience with state-of-the-art medical equipment, learning to inspect, calibrate, maintain, and repair them to ensure high-quality treatment for patients. Upon graduation, our students have gone on to work for area hospitals, clinics, and other medical facilities. In fact, Texas is the second highest employer of medical equipment repairers in the nation, with an average annual salary of $49,000. And the need for these positions shows a projected growth of 12% in the years ahead. If you are a critical thinker looking for a healthy career opportunity, a degree in biomedical equipment technology is for you.